ladies and gentlemen, there are, count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sunspots on the sun right now, and the 6th sunspot, which will be facing towards us on the Earth-facing side of the disk, just let off a major M1.4 class solar flare. So the sun is super duper active, and I want to remind you again that its activity and sunspot progression has exceeded NASA and NOAA's projections for 11 straight months. And so I'm sorry if you put all your eggs and chips into that grand solar minimum QAnon science. You were totally and absolutely wrong, buddy. Hey, we all make mistakes, man. Just don't double down on them or triple down on them. So yeah, we live in strange times indeed. Zip, zap, pow. And the mini ice age looks like a total bust as well. It was a hot one today, but how hot exactly? Hot enough to break records here in Houston in several spots. Man, so sorry. But hey, now let's talk about the NorEaster that is about to punch the Northeast and totally catch a lot of people in the Northeast off guard, I would imagine. Eric Fisher, a lot of Nor'easter juice along the eastern seaboard with a very warm ocean for this time of the year. So yeah, dude, I mean, it's, like this area is super hot. The ocean is super hot. But remember, there's a volcano chain that goes from here, the New England Seamount. Actually, I think it goes over there. Anyway, so we're watching for the chance of a really bizarre hot Nor'easter to hit the New England area. Which crazy track will be correct? I don't know. The HRR has one that takes it almost into New York. The NAM is nowhere near as devastating. I've got the very latest GFS model running, and it's only up to frame 3 right now. But as you can see, this is going to be a pretty major storm that is off the coast, and a lot of models have it curving into the USA. But Eric Fisher is saying, hey, it looks like another significant flash flood event in the New York City metro overnight. This is where some of the greatest rain totals from the storm will be. And remember, getting just even a couple inches of rain in heavily populated city areas can cause major problems. Anywhere from 5, I would guess some areas will get 7, probably even 10 inches, but we'll see. Over on the West Coast, hey, Ben's weather, Highway 38 will remain closed overnight. Emergency vehicles can use down lane bounds. There's a ton of mudslides, because we just had that big atmospheric river. Lake Tahoe got a ton of snow. Texas, Oklahoma, and the state above Oklahoma need to be on the lookout for major storms that'll be busting out across at about 2 a.m. Tomorrow night? Tonight? I don't know. The NAM inches a little more to the west, but not anything deadly or dangerous, but you're still going to get 60, 70 mile per hour winds into Massachusetts. Hey, you got a cold front coming to Texas. It blows through Wednesday morning and may bring a few strong to severe thunderstorms with it. Yeah, at the moment, most of the eyes are on the Northeast. Tomerberg, yet another flash flood event is beginning to unfold in New Jersey tonight as sharp negatively tilted trough moves through. With a pivoting surface trough over New Jersey and anomalous moisture aiding and forcing for a heavy axis of heavy rain, as much as 4 to 6 inches locally. Yep. Dun dun dun. Evening Euro, now on board with the Eastern solution, spins a 969 millibar low. And so, yeah, I mean, the 969, that would be a strong Category 2 hurricane strength, man. And then some of the models have it spinning back around, doing some crazy shit. We're going to have to watch this thing like a hawk. Bet Knoll, for who the bell tolls, Hudson Valley, the lightning is for you. You better ride it. Metallic jokes. Zip, zap, pow, hey, diddle, diddle, with the fiddle in the middle. But yeah, like clockwork, every October, about 5 days after the Eris-Earth conjunction, we get major windstorms. Like clockwork. And with all the gas giants on the same side of the sun, we're going to be looking for more earthquake and volcano activity happening through 2024. So buckle up, Buttercup. Whoa, 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 whoa. But yeah, BG weather, prepare properly tomorrow, South New England. Don't underlook this one. And Maine and Connecticut, talking to you guys. Bomb cyclone in. There will be power outages tomorrow, potentially widespread on the coast, Cape, and islands, and more scattered but potentially significant amount of outages inland. We start talking about a higher end scenario coming to fruition. And yeah, so you're going to get some gusts, 70s, 60s, all the way into Rhode Island and New York. Yeah, the HRR had some insane tracks brought to us by E-Weather. Here we go. Check it out. This is what the... What? So if this were to verify, which is possible, this would be like a Category 2 hurricane into those areas, man. So this is a crazy situation that will be unfolding over the next 24 to 36 hours. I will be here covering it for you guys, because that is what I do. This is my full-time job. Then you got another major storm behind it. I mean, not as bad, but still, it's just bang, bang, bang. But look, this is the latest GFS, and the latest GFS has it doing that weird retrograde curve motion thing into, like, these areas. So this thing's going to pack a punch, man. You can... I love when the screen pops up. That lady's disgusted. What the heck? Now I'm hitting all the wrong buttons. Help me, Lord. What the heck? Microsoft feed. I don't even really need you. Okay. But yeah, and then you got more weather that'll be heading towards Europe. But this is quite a situation that will be unfolding, man. So if you're in this area, please take notice and stay aware. This thing's going to pack a punch because it's so warm up there. It's going to be mostly rain. Could be some flakes in the middle. But yeah, everybody get ready. And I'll do my best to keep covering it for y'all. And I'm still only $293 away from hitting my October THORnews fundraiser goal. So if you'd like to contribute, it would be greatly appreciated. I do my best to give you guys excellent information. And it's nice to have one person on the YouTubes who's not trying to sell you some dumbass Grand Solar Minimum or mini Ice Age. And how they can do that at this point with a straight face, I do not even know. Like 1, 2, this is going to be like, in 3 months, it's going to be like the third time we've had at least 5 sunspots on the sun. Remember, in the Maunder minimum, they only got like 50 sunspots over like a 40-year span or 30-year span. And I think we're at like 40 sunspots within a year and a half. So yeah, dude, it's going to be a very active, strong solar cycle. Okay, great. Everybody, have a great night. Talk to y'all soon. I love you. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Happy Hanukkah. Kick-ass Kwanzaa. Happy Thanksgiving. Stay cool.